What's up, everybody? So take a ride with me. We're gonna walk outside and we are going to go out there and jump start a Nissan Altima. I think it's gonna be a little bit fun. Are y'all ready to go on a little ride with me? Come on, let's go. Guys, I'll tell you one thing. I've had just about enough of this GoPro White 7. I'm telling you right now. You know, I'm out here doing videos. I'm talking. I'm doing my vlog, and I come to sit inside the Nissan Altima, and the damn thing is not even recording my video. Now that right there is irritating. That is very unreliable, GoPro. Okay, but let me just go in reverse, and let's just start this whole damn thing right on over. Alright, everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at the Nissan Altima 2008. Battery is dead on this car, and we're going to figure out what the deal is with it today. Okay, so we've had this vehicle for about 6 months at our dealership. It was here when I first started, and we just can't seem to sell it. So we're going to figure out what exactly is going on with this car today, and hopefully we can get it running, driving, review it, and hopefully show it to some of y'all and sell it, okay? So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get this jump box started up here. This is a NoCo Genius Boost HD. Cut her on just like that, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and hit this button here. And we're gonna go inside this car and we're gonna crank it up. All right, so one thing I've always noticed with Nissans, which is kind of odd, is that you got a smart key with a car, but the key still has to go inside of something and crank it up. So what you're gonna do in this car is you're gonna take this key and put it right into this slot right here. Then you're going to put your foot on the brake and hit the start-stop engine button. Okay? But like I said, it's a smart key, but it's really not a smart key because you still have to put it in a slot. It's extremely hot outside today, so we're gonna go ahead and get our air conditioner blowing and getting it nice and cold inside this car. This vehicle has 266,000 miles on it. And it's got sunroof, leather, heated seats, a service engine soon light on, meaning it needs an oil change, and whatever else is going on. Let's go ahead and get out and see what's going on with this car. Of course, while we're standing here by the Altima, you're gonna be able to hear some squeaking going on, which is most likely a pulley under the motor of the car. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take this and cut it off. Right there. We put a brand new battery on this vehicle, but still, it sometimes seems to have a problem cranking up. I think either someone's leaving a light on inside the car, or maybe it needs an alternator. I'm really not exactly sure at this current moment in time, okay? But this is the motor. And it's pretty quiet. I mean, it's got a little squeak, a pulley going on. You got your oil here, my God, okay? I mean, you got that going on there. It looks like those are your coils, or spark plug wires, or whatever, but that's the engine of this car. It does have some pretty heavy, whatever this is right here going on under there, as you can see. I mean, I don't know if that's dirt or what. It's all caked up in here. Look at that. I mean, it's everywhere inside the motor. It's almost as if this engine sat in the dirt waiting to get put inside the car at some point. Again, that is not oil. That's not grease. It's dirt. It's gotta be. I don't know though. It's got a blackness to it that really makes me think it's something. Yeah, that is definitely not dirt. Okay, I wouldn't put that in my mouth and make a mud pie with it, okay? But anyways, you got that going on. It's got to get cleaned under here, okay? There's several reasons why this car hadn't sold, and it's really comes down to taking care of the vehicle and getting it back up to par. It needs to be cleaned. It really does, okay? It needs to have a good detail done on it and cleaned up. I'm gonna show y'all a great example of a vehicle that we have had for just as long as this one. And the guys that own the store took my advice and they made the car look 100% better, okay? Let me show you. We'll be back to you. Okay, because we're gonna drive this car today and see how it rides. We got a lot of people right now, since it's tax season, interested in buying this car. Okay, everybody, here is a Nissan Sentra 2008. We've had it just as long at the store here as that Altima. Now, there's something way different about this car right now. When this car was out here on the lot for the last several months, it had those wheels on it, but those wheels were black. It had window tint on the windows that had faded out to purple, and the window tint was also kind of tearing up and all that. As you can see, they didn't do the back window, okay, but they did take the tint off the front. That's fine, but you can tell that there's a purplish color about that tint. But this car, if you saw it previously, you probably wouldn't have bought it. But now that you see what we have done, we painted those wheels silver, we got it cleaned. I mean, it looks so much better. That's a little $32,000 to $3,000 car right there. Good mileage, AC, it runs and gets good fuel economy, okay? So sometimes you gotta go the extra mile on your used cars on your lot, Mr. Dealer, okay? I'm talking to y'all, if you're watching, any car salesman, any car dealers that own a used car lot, or a manager of a car dealership. Sometimes you gotta put a little extra time and money into a car to get it to sell, so you can at least get your money back out of it and possibly, hopefully, make a little bit of a profit on it, okay? We're not talking about making a ton of profit, but everybody knows, even customers, we're here to make money. We're a business, so of course we need to make some kind of profit. We're not in the business of selling cars, not making any money. Okay, that's pretty plain and simple. The only thing on the car that really probably sticks out a little bit is that seat. You know, it's got that rip going on it. Put a seat cover on it. Good to go. Under 200,000 miles. Really not a bad little car for the money. I'm serious, guys, okay? But today's video is really more about that Nissan Altima over there. That Altima has 166,000 miles on it. And we need to drive it. We need to see what it's all about. Because I really do want to sell it to somebody and give them a great deal on the car. But even a great deal on a car isn't a great deal on a car if the car doesn't run out properly, okay? You know, I could sell this car to somebody for $500, but if it doesn't run or drive, what good is that? You know, I mean, whether it's $200, $500, or $1,000, your money is your money. You work hard for it, and you make sure it's gonna do what you need to do. All right, let's switch the camera view back around. Man, it is hot in here. There is right now no air conditioner blowing in here, so man, I am literally sweating it up. And I don't have 255. Well, hold on, there we go. All right, guys. Let's see what we can do in the Altima here. Man, you know, nobody wants hot air blowing on them. Definitely not me. Trying my best to get this car where I can test drive it. Hold on, I gotta get my seat in position. It's a power seat, which does work. All right, here we go, guys. Y'all ready? Let's do it. Oh man, I am nervous. I can definitely hear that pulley under there making some sounds. That was a cool old car. Here we go. Hang on. Okay, all right, all right, all right. We're doing good. CVT transmission. You cannot feel it shifting gears. Man, it feels good out here with the breeze hitting on you. We got a crack in our windshield up there, guys. Okay. Brakes feel good, not bad. All right. Pull her over here, see what's going on. Okay, all right. So, I mean, we made it down to the gas station in the car. So that worked out. Stay with us. All right, windows are working. That's good. Let's go ahead and uncrank it for a minute and see if the battery will last. Again, guys, I'm just trying to show y'all, if you buy this car right now and go down the road, go get some gas, let's see if it will crank back up when we come back out to get in it. Hello.
I'm in the house.
All right, how you doing? All right, let's see. So we come in, we're gonna do just a quick scoot through this gas station. They got some good smelling food in here right now. Some beautiful drinks. We're looking for something to drink. Need some water. Water is the best thing for you. It's going to keep you hydrated. All right. Hello. Good. Yeah, it is, yeah. Cool, thank you. Have a good day, guys. All right, now, let's see what happens. Nothing happens. All right, we're getting back in. Right now, I don't think we got power. Let's see. That door likes to close on its own. Y'all notice that? Put the key in over here. Oh, yeah. Ha ha ha. All right, we didn't have to use that again, did we? Nope. I don't know, my expectations are kind of rising on the Altima. You know, for the longest, I thought this car had a transmission problem, but as I looking at it right now, I'm like, okay, maybe it doesn't, right? Maybe it's just a pulley up under there. I really don't know. I mean, I can't tell you how many customers I and Mike Tyson have literally told, don't buy this car. You know, it's got a transmission problem. Excuse me, guys. All right. I know I'm gonna get enough comments saying, please don't spit on camera, dude. You know, I get it, guys, but guess what? This is raw and unplugged, all right? I'm not Doug DeMiro, okay? I'm not Vehicle Virgins. I am Chad Dolbier. And I'm not gonna be reviewing cars. You know, this is, man, if y'all enjoy, like, just somebody that's living life and being real, this is it, okay? You're not gonna get any kind of video, car videos like this anywhere else on YouTube but with me. Guaranteed. Let's give it some gas. Oh yeah. All right, hey, it's driving, guys. Needs an oil change, of course. See how quiet it is in here. There we go. Bring her on in. All right, that worked out good. Definitely kind of hot inside of the car though. We definitely need to get the air conditioner rolling and get that going. But I think right now we're pretty good. You know, the car drives, it runs. Realistically here, man, this is a $2,500 cash car or best offer. If you're looking at it online with me and you watched the video today, this right here may be your inexpensive cash car that you've been looking for. Okay? I think it has definitely, I think the car has definitely won. I really do. Shame on me for saying this car had a transmission problem. It is shifting smoothly. I don't know if the mechanics in our shop did something to it to make it perform better, but this car is definitely doing better than it was a few months ago. So it's time to sell it. It's got Chad's approval for a inexpensive cash car. Now we got to get your approval. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. I'll see you soon. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and send me your input today. Would you buy the 08 Nissan Altima with 266,000 miles for $2,500 or $27,000? What would you pay? Let me know. Ah. And that is not a smart key. Not a smart key, guys. That's a fake. Bobo is not real.